How to verify your Discord account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your Discord account. This method works for both Android and iPhone user, but I will demonstrate in my Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up the Discord app in your mobile and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the Discord app, simply go to the profile section by tapping on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner, and this will lead you to the settings section. Once you are in the settings section, simply tap on account. Next, tap on email. Now you will see the option to send verification code. Simply tap on it and Discord will send a verification code to your registered email address. Next, open your email app and find the verification email from Discord. You need to simply copy that code and simply paste it here again. And once you are done, simply tap on next and your account will be verified. Alternatively, you can verify your account using your phone number. To do this, you simply have to go back and again tap on phone option. After that, you need to enter your phone number and simply tap on next. And Discord will send you the verification code as same as email. You just need to enter the code and confirm that you are not a bot to complete the verification process. And with that, you can enjoy your fully verified Discord account. And if you want to reset your password, you can do that by following the same steps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.